Today, you're going to learn how to fix an Instagram account locked in 2026. If your account is suddenly locked, you can't log in, or you see a message saying your account has been restricted or suspended, don't worry. This happens more often than you think, and in many cases, it can be fixed. In this video, you'll learn 2 of the most effective solutions to recover access to your account. And we're going to go step by step so you can follow along easily. So let's start with the first solution, which is verifying your identity directly through Instagram. This is usually the fastest way to unlock your account. When Instagram detects unusual activity, it may temporarily lock your account for security reasons. So here's exactly what you need to do. First, open Instagram and try to log in with your username and password. If your account is locked, you'll see a message explaining the issue. Now look for an option that allows you to verify your identity. This could be through a code sent to your email or phone number. Select the option that you have access to. Now check your email or messages and find the code. Enter it exactly as shown. If everything is correct, Instagram may unlock your account immediately. But sometimes the process goes further. You may be asked to confirm additional information. For example, identifying recent activity or confirming your login attempt. Follow the instructions carefully and complete all steps. Make sure your internet connection is stable while doing this. Now, once you finish, try logging in again. In many cases, your account will be restored right away. If this doesn't work, don't worry. Let's move to the second solution, which is submitting a recovery request to Instagram support. This method is useful if you can't verify your account through normal login, or if you don't have access to your email or phone number. So here's how to do it, step by step. Go to the Instagram Help or Support section. Look for the option related to a locked or disabled account. Now fill out the form with your information. You'll need to enter your full name, username, and the email linked to your account. Make sure everything is correct. Now explain your situation clearly. Keep it simple and honest. For example, you can say that your account was locked and you want to recover access. In some cases, Instagram will ask you to verify your identity manually. This may include sending a photo of yourself holding a code they provide. Follow these instructions exactly. Make sure the photo is clear and matches what they ask for. Once you submit everything, you'll need to wait for a response. This can take from a few hours to a few days, so be patient. Now here are a few important tips while you wait. Check your email regularly, including your spam folder. Avoid trying to log in too many times, because repeated attempts can make the situation worse. Also, avoid using VPNs or third-party apps, because this can trigger more security flags. Now, once Instagram reviews your request, they will contact you by email. Follow any additional instructions they send. And once your account is restored, make sure to secure it. Turn on 2-factor authentication, use a strong password, and avoid suspicious activity. After applying these 2 solutions step by step, you have a very high chance of recovering your account. And that's how you can fix an Instagram account locked in 2026 using 2 simple but very effective methods.